What's up? How y'all doing? Shantae McClain here. I'm back again with another video for you guys. So how's everybody doing? Hope everyone is having a great day. My day is going pretty good. No complaints really. It's actually hot today for a change because this whole entire week has been 22, 32, 20. It's been cold, guys. I almost burst my pipes, y'all. I forgot to freeze my pipes one night, and oh my god, the next day I thought I was gonna die. I cut that water on, it was coughing and everything. So for once, it's finally back to I think it's like 65 today. So I take that. I ain't even mad. Then I ain't even really go out. I went to the store earlier and that's about all. But it's actually nice today here in Louisiana. So I don't know where you are, but if you're cold, hopefully you stay bundled up and hope you're having a great day. All right, guys. So in this video today, I just want to talk to you about you're getting started with TRVL. You got signed up. What do you need to do next? So I just want to give you a couple of quick things to help you get going and getting set up with TRVL. Okay. So if you have checked out the information, you saw the video, you clicked on my link, you liked everything you saw, and you made the decision to get started, you went and you have picked out your package and you have paid for your package. Now what? All right, so the next thing you should do is check your email. Hopefully when you started or signed up, you used the right email. It is really important, guys. Please, when you checking out any business, like if you get another stream of income and you're checking out any business and you enter your information on the cash page, please put your right email in there, because people are so quick to holler, oh, I never got the information. You gotta put your right email in. That is crucial, okay? Especially because you're gonna need we need the email to send you the information and give you updates and stuff. So go to your email. You're going to get several emails from TRVL. You're going to get some from me and everything telling you what you need to do to get started. You're going to get a welcome email from me. You'll get a welcome email from TRVL. You're going to get your links to how to get into your back office. You're just going to get all kind of information on how to get set up and where to find everything. So definitely check your email. Check your spam folder too, because sometimes those links can go to spam. Okay, so just make sure you're checking your emails and you're checking your spam folder to make sure that you're getting information. Now, one of my I have several, Lord. I got so many emails. I got Gmails, Yahoos, Hotmails. I got a lot of emails. But I know with my Yahoo mail, like if I do something and they'll say, we're gonna send you a verification email. Sometimes I'll sit there and it never comes, and then I'll type the name of the place in the search and it'll just pop up. So you might have to do that as well, but just check your email. So once you get your email, you're going to get the information on how to get into your back office. You log into it and then you'll get access to the back office. So once you get in that back office, another crucial thing, guys, is make sure you are clicking on everything back there so that you can see what it does and know where everything is. I used to have it bad. I would join opportunities and then go in the back office. I get ADHD start to kick in, and I click a button here or there, and then I'm done. But then when something happens, I don't know where to find the information that I need. So go in that back office, click it. That's what I did last night. I clicked every single tab. Every time I go in my back office, I click every single tab. I try to do that at least once a day so I know what everything is, because I'm telling you, it's really important to know how to find things. It's a lot of stuff in the back office. It really is. But please go back there and click every single thing that's there so you will know where to find everything. We have training back there. We have all kind of good solid information. Got some banners back there, some stuff to help you build and grow TRVL. So please make sure you're back there, clicking everything and seeing what it does. Like I say, try to do that once a day. Okay, so if you joined under me, then I have some great news for you. You are on Team Elevate, and Team Elevate's the best team. Because when I tell you we have some A1 sponsors, man, our sponsors are amazing, okay? I'm under Stephen, Lanacia, Rachel, and man, they are the truth, okay? They have given us so many great things to help us, even during pre-lunch. They were constantly giving us here's some things you can post. They are super helpful, okay? We have a Facebook group, and we got a Facebook group and we got Telegram, and they jumping all day because it's nonstop. I've been in businesses where I've joined, I never talked to the sponsor other than gotten the email, did you get in the system? And that's a wrap. Never seen the sponsor on the Zoom call. Some businesses, I'm not even sure who my sponsor is because I've never seen them. That is not the case in Team Elevate. I just got off a training. I was just about to make my video, forgot the training was going on, and it popped on my Facebook. I'm like, oh my God, I'm supposed to be on training. We are training all the time, guys. They do nothing but help us. So you will be on if you join under me, you're gonna be part of Team Elevate. You're gonna get the same training. You're gonna get help every step of the way. And this is the thing that really, really, really blew my mind. We had a training a few days ago. If you're on Team Elevate, you get your own marketing system. Okay, they created a marketing system for us that is a beast. I have never seen a marketing system like this, and I am not saying this lightly. Like, I'm for real. I've had a lot of marketing systems, a lot. I'm not gonna name them, but I've had 3 or 4 different ones. I've never seen it set up like they have it set up. They are the GOAT. They know what they're doing. So we had a training showing us the marketing system. We don't have to pay for it. It's part of being. You get it as being a part of Team Elevate. But now you do have to come in under either the Weekender, the Jet Setter, or the Globetrotter package in order to get access to the marketing system. And once you join, I will definitely forward you the getting started on how to get into the back office, or how to get the marketing system and get into it and everything. So no worries about that. Just like I say, I'll make sure that you get that information. If for some reason you don't, because things be happening, life happens. If you don't, you'll have access. I'm gonna when you join me, I email you a welcome letter, and I give you access to my phone number. I give you my Facebook. So just reach out to me and be like, hey, Shantae, what's up? Didn't get the information to get the marketing system. I definitely make sure that you get that, okay? I'm going to try to stay on my P's and Q's, though, to make sure you get it so you don't have to message me. But if you do, I definitely make sure that you get it, because when I tell you, that marketing system is a beast, okay? But like I say, you have to be a Globetrotter, Jet Setter, or Globetrotter, Weekender, or Jet Setter to get it. And if you think it's not a big deal to get your marketing system free, let me tell you something. I've been in a lot of businesses, okay? And I've been like, our highest package, as far as like the biggest package, I'll say that, is the Jet Setter, okay? I have seen companies where, like, if you didn't get the big package, like, only the people who got the biggest package could get something like that, or the higher standard of training, or the better amount of tools to help them grow your business. You can come in either one of those packages and you're still gonna get that marketing system. So I think that alone is amazing, okay? And inside this marketing system, man, it's crazy. Like, we have a thing with like checklists to show you what to post. You can check off every day. I've done this. It tells you how much you've progressed. It tells you, like, if you're, I think it's like a little gold thing, or it say, hey, you're platinum for the day, or whatever. It helps you track what you do on a daily basis. Gives you the steps. Tell you, we get what to post. Gives you idea what to post. Give you ideas of videos that you can put and make on Facebook. I mean, this thing is a beast. And guys, like, for me, that calendar that we have that tells you what to post every day is a huge help to me, because I can't tell you how many days I literally sit here sometime and I'm like, what do I post? Like, I be clueless. I be sitting there like, because I'm not a big Facebook poster, so sometimes I sit here and I'm like, oh my God, what do I post? I don't want to be too pitchy. I don't want to sound like I'm trying to just throw the opportunity down anybody's throat, but at the same time, I have to get out the message. So you don't have to worry about that. They give you this is what you post today, this is what you're supposed to want. It's all broke down for you. So that in itself is amazing, okay? So I just want to hop on here and just give y'all that information. So, letting you know what you need to do once you get in the back office and go through and click on everything, get your marketing system, and it tells you step by step, go here, click here, do this, and just get in that marketing system, follow all the training, and you're good to go, okay? And like I said, we got a Facebook group. You can ask any questions. Our leaders are always in there to help. So you're not going to be alone. You definitely won't be alone on Team Elevate. All right. So I just wanted to hop on here and share that little bit of information with you guys. It's so much information. It's so much of stuff that you get so many tools to help you build and grow TRVL when you join Team Elevate. So you don't have to worry about nothing. You just got to get in here. You just got to get it done. If you that person that's can be consistent and determined to make things happen, get in here and go to work. And if you being consistent, things can go great. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you can make a dime in TRVL. Disclaimer. You could get in here and not make anything, but that's if you don't do the work. If you put in the work, you'll see the results. But if you're not putting in the work, get what you put into it. Okay, so with that being said, I just want to hop on here and share that little bit of information with you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and please just keep watching for more information and more videos from me. And make sure you go to the description if you have not joined TRVL but you're interested in seeing what it's all about and getting started. Just check the description, and I will post the link in the description. All right, guys, you guys have a great day. All right, see you next time. Bye.